Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of Smart Grid. Hope you all doing well in your studies. So in today's video, we are going to see about a case study on Smart Grid implementations. So in this interactive video, our students, our mentees are going to discuss or going to have a casual talk about a Smart Grid implementation. They are going to discuss with a case study. So they have taken a problem and they have given an in-depth understanding from their point of view. Hope this video will be very useful to you. Let's get into the video.
Hi all, we are from Ukaria Tripoli. We are here to present a case study on the topic of vehicle-to-grid technology, which is called as V2G and its challenges. It enables the electric vehicles to supply the electricity back to the power grid when it is needed. This innovative approach transforms the EV into mobile energy storage units, creating a two-way interaction between the electric cars and the electricity infrastructure. Importance of vehicle-to-grid technology. The grid stability. V2G helps to stabilizes the grid by supplying electricity during the peak demand periods. Renewable energy integration. It supports the integration of renewable energies like solar energy and wind power energy. Economic benefits. EV owners can earn money by selling excess energy back to the government. Environmental benefits. V2G promotes the use of clean energy and reduces the greenhouse gas emissions.
Talk about electrification V2G project. So now I'm going to talk about the case study happened in V2G project. It was a pioneering initiative in the United Kingdom that tested the technical and economic viability of V2G technology. The project involved over 100 EV owners, primarily using Nissan Leaf models, and in partnership with CrowdCharge, Nissan, Cenex, and Innovative. So now let us talk the objectives of V2G. So that it tests the technical performance of V2G technology in real-world environments. Understand user behavior, availability and expectations. Financial and grid benefits. Evaluate the financial and grid benefits of V2G technology. Battery impact. Analyze the impact of V2G on battery health and degradation. Policy and business models. So develop the future policy and business models for nationwide rollout.
Okay, now let's talk about the technical framework of the V2G, that is the vehicle-to-grid technology. When we are speaking about the technical framework of the EV, we use the Nissan Leaf technology, which is a model supporting bidirectional charging. The bidirectional charging is that we can send from the vehicle to grid or from the grid to vehicle. And next one is the charges. When we want to give the bidirectional charging, we should have bidirectional chargers too. It's the DC charger. The power rating is from 7 kilowatt to 11 kilowatt, which allows the control in and outflow of the charges. Next, we are coming to the communication and control of the V2G software by CrowdCharge, which is a software used for the V2G technology and is also in the electricity marketplace. Now, in the next topic, we are going to the working principle of V2G. In the V2G, every user uses plug-in, which is the charger type from the home or the external parts. The charger communications are two-way, which is the bidirectional thing, where it can be charged either from the vehicle or the grid also. Now the result and analysis. When we are coming to the financial benefits of the V2G technology, on average each person can earn up to 300 to 400 pounds, which is around 1 lakh in the Indian rupees. And some users can also earn up to 800 pounds, which is around 5 to 6 lakhs in the Indian rupees per year, depending on the usage of the vehicles, which is the EV vehicles. And the grid benefits. The peak demand which can be saved, that is the timing which runs around 5 to 9 p.m. in the evening hours, where the vehicle can be used to send the power from the vehicle to the grid at the evening hours. It can enable a better integration of solar energy too. And now the user experience. When we are having V2G technology, 85% of the users found this V2G technology as very easy and valuable. Daily plug-in behavior is a very useful thing for the every users. Challenges faced will be said by Kirtan.
There
about the challenges faced. Firstly, about the high initial cost. Since it is having a bi-directional charging, the charges were too expensive, leading to a high cost and limited vehicle compatibility. So every EV vehicle did not support the bi-directional charging. Policy gaps. The EV owners, they didn't have a proper guidelines of the concept, so they lacked in that. Next, infrastructure limitations. Some home, they lacked electrical capacity for V2G chargers. Application of V2G. So public transport, the V2G ready electric buses, they can discharge during the idle hours, and commercial fleets. So the delivery of the taxis, it can reduce the energy bills, and it can earn through energy trading. Residential plus solar, combining the renewable energy, it made them more efficient. Emergency backup, V2G, they enable EV can power homes temporarily during the blackouts. Conclusion. The final conclusion is the electric vehicles, it can transport more things to the grid assets, and V2G is technically feasible, economically beneficial, and environmentally sustainable. And with increasing EV adoption, it can play a vital role in this technology, and it has a resilient and clean energy future. Thank you.